Welcome to Best Choice. The best indoor waterfalls for bedrooms are probably one of the most sought-after additions for creating a serene and tranquil atmosphere, transforming your personal sanctuary into a haven of peace and relaxation. And this review will guide you through selecting the perfect one to enhance your sleep and overall well-being. Number 5. Homedics EnviraScape Silver Springs Relaxation Fountain. Bring a calming, zen feel to any room with this elegant tabletop fountain. Its tiered waterfall and natural stones create a tranquil atmosphere, perfect for your desk, bathroom, or living space. Experience the gentle, soothing sound of cascading water. The flowing streams replicate the peaceful ambience of a natural spring, helping you relax and unwind. Enjoy hassle-free relaxation with its quiet, automatic pump. Simply fill the basin, plug it in, and let the soothing sounds wash over you. It keeps water clean and algae-free. This fountain features an innovative, Asian-inspired design with tiered leaves and an open basin. Its unique lighting creates a soft, romantic glow, enhancing the natural beauty of the flowing water. Distress after a long day, drift off to sleep with its calming sounds, or create a peaceful environment for meditation or yoga. It's also a wonderful addition to a nursery or your workspace. Your purchase includes everything you need: the fountain, natural river rocks, tiered leaves, power cord, adapter, pump, and base. Set up your personal oasis in minutes. What we like. This fountain offers a multi-tiered waterfall with natural river rocks for a truly authentic feel. Its unique lighting feature creates a soft, romantic ambience. If you're looking to create a serene escape in your bedroom or nursery, this is the perfect choice for its calming sounds and gentle glow. What people say. The fountain uses low-voltage DC current for the lights and submersible pump, which reduces the risk of electrical shock and fire. The LED lights are well placed and create an attractive appearance, with one illuminating the top where water streams out, creating a dancing water effect, and two others illuminating the middle and bottom tiers. The sound of the water is quite audible and relaxing, with the flow adjustable by experimenting with the placement of pebbles and stones. Number 4. Alpine Corporation WCT202 Indoor Tabletop Water Fountain. Experience the calming sound of gently cascading water. This fountain creates a peaceful atmosphere, perfect for your desk, bedroom, or office to help you relax and reduce stress. Enjoy the dual sensory experience of flowing water and soft candlelight. Integrated holders for tea lights create a warm glow, enhancing your relaxation, meditation, or cozy evenings. Measuring just 11 inches tall, this indoor fountain fits perfectly on any tabletop, shelf, or desk. It brings calming water sounds and a stylish look without occupying too much space. With its elegant brown finish and tiered design, this piece complements any decor style, from rustic to modern. It serves as a beautiful centerpiece for your home or office. Built with durable materials and a reliable pump, this fountain is designed for lasting enjoyment. Plus, it comes with 2-year manufacturer support for your peace of mind. What we like. This fountain uniquely combines the soothing sound of cascading water with the warm glow of 3 integrated tea light holders. Its compact size makes it ideal for any tabletop. If you enjoy creating a cozy and intimate atmosphere for relaxation or meditation, this fountain will enhance your evenings with its dual sensory appeal. What people say. It comes with a small pump where you can adjust the flow of the water. It was very easy to assemble and the directions that were included were very clear. Because of the good design of water flow, the water does not splash out if you set the water pump to a lower pressure setting and set the stones around the area where the water hits the base. It has a good sounding water stream. The sound was initially very disappointing, could barely hear, no matter how I adjusted the pump or water level. But I put 2 crystal wands across 2 of the parts that collect water and they made the sound much louder, so I feel pleased now. Number 3. WICHEMI Tabletop Fountain, Style 6. Crafted from high-quality poly resin, this fountain is built to last. Its durable yet lightweight construction ensures it will be a beautiful addition to your space for years to come. The quiet submersible pump keeps the water circulating, maintaining a clean and safe environment. Immerse yourself in the soothing sounds of cascading water. This relaxing feature helps relieve stress and promotes tranquility. It also contributes to healthier air humidity, creating a more comfortable atmosphere. A built-in LED light casts a peaceful glow, enhancing the calming ambience. Watch as the water flows over the stone-like tiers, creating a serene visual experience. Measuring approximately 10.6 by 9.1 by 6.9 inches, this fountain is perfectly sized for any location. Place it in your office, bedroom, garden, or patio to add a touch of style and serenity. Setting up this beautiful piece is simple. It comes with a submersible pump and LED light, requiring no plumbing. Just add water, plug it in, and enjoy the relaxing flow. To ensure continuous enjoyment, remember to refill the water tank promptly, especially during warmer months. Regular cleaning will also help maintain its pristine condition and prevent scale buildup. What we like. This fountain features a built-in LED light that casts a peaceful, calming glow while the water cascades down stone-like layers. Made from durable poly resin, it also helps to achieve healthier air humidity levels. If you want a stylish and serene decor piece that also offers a subtle wellness benefit for your home or office, this is an excellent option. What people say. Makes just enough bubbling sound, and the moving crystal ball is visually interesting. It doubles as a night light. The water doesn't splash out at all. The fountain is very pretty, but in the evening the light is not bright enough to see the water flowing down. Pretty with soothing water sounds, unless the water level is less than full. Then the sound of the motor is louder than the waterfall sound. The lights are lovely. Number 2. Sunnydaze Stacked Rocks 10.5-inch Tabletop Water Fountain. Introducing a compact yet impactful water fountain designed to bring tranquility to your home or office. Its soothing presence fits perfectly on desks, shelves, or end tables. Crafted from high-quality poly resin and fiberglass, this fountain mimics the look of natural stacked stone. It's built to last while remaining lightweight and easy to reposition. Enhance your space with soft, ambient light. Integrated LED lights on the upper tiers provide a gentle glow, perfect for evening relaxation. Enjoy instant serenity with no complicated setup. Simply add water, plug it in, and let the quiet submersible pump circulate the water for a continuous, calming flow. Ideal for those seeking a peaceful environment, this fountain brings a touch of nature indoors. It's perfect for meditation, enhancing focus, or simply creating a more mindful atmosphere. Thoughtful features like a hidden access door for easy maintenance and padded feet to protect your furniture ensure a seamless experience. What we like. This fountain replicates the look of real stacked stone with a compact design and LED lights on the tiers for soft illumination. It operates with a quiet submersible pump for continuous, gentle water flow. If you appreciate nature-inspired decor and seek a tranquil ambience for your desk or living room, this fountain brings a touch of zen to your space. What people say. The trickling water sound is subtle. Clients couldn't hear it, but I could and I found it soothing. The sound of the pump is nearly inaudible. The pump works and is quiet. The LEDs make the waterfalls glisten. The painting of the stacked rocks is very good, better than I expected, very natural. The water trickling sounds are wonderful and calming. The lights are a little bright when you look at them directly, otherwise, this piece is near perfect. I cannot hear the pump unless I put my ears to the actual location. Number 1. Rockfalls 4-tier Cascading Tabletop Water Fountain. Experience the calming sound of a natural stream right in your home. This beautifully crafted piece replicates a gently cascading waterfall, bringing tranquility to any space. Constructed from durable poly resin, it's designed to maintain its beauty and strength for years to come. Enjoy its visual appeal and soothing presence without worry. Lightweight and easy to place, it's ideal for your desktop, coffee table, or any surface. Transform any small area into a relaxing oasis. Everything you need is included, a recirculating pump, LED lights, and a transformer. Simply plug it in and enjoy the soothing atmosphere it creates. Add a decorative touch and a sense of calm to your office, home, or bedroom. This fountain is the perfect way to create a soothing and relaxing environment. Measuring just 8.3 inches high, this compact water feature delivers a big impact on your decor. It's the ideal size for adding a touch of elegance without taking up too much space. What we like. This fountain showcases cascading rock falls and includes an engaging spinning ball feature, all crafted from durable poly resin. It's designed to replicate a natural stream and easily fits on desktop surfaces. If you're looking for a dynamic yet relaxing water feature that adds a decorative touch to your office or living room, this fountain offers both visual interest and soothing sounds. What people say. After operating this one for about a week, I can honestly say it's among the best. After a week of operation, there is no observable splashing. This is honestly the first fountain I've owned that has no significant water loss due to splashing. The lights dance off the ceiling in the dark and provide a warm ambience that I enjoy. The included pump is about average, noise-wise. Great water fountain. Easy to put together, looks great, and beautiful, relaxing water sounds. The fountain comes with a round base, 3 LED lights and the waterfalls in 5 different places. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.